3 years ago, when we set out to change the chiller industry, we set our targets on 3 major things: innovation, ease of use, and intelligent options to make the user experience exactly what you need when you need it. The PolyScience DuraChill line of recirculating chillers is not just a redo of an old idea. It's the result of listening to customer feedback, forward-thinking, innovation, and the reliability that has always been a PolyScience cornerstone. Our innovative and patented refrigeration test system allows us to store all the parameters of each individual DuraChill chiller in its onboard memory on the day it was built. Simply put, at any point that you feel the chiller is not performing as expected, or you're not getting the temperature that you believe you should be getting, simply initiate the refrigeration test system and it will provide a comparative result of performance data from day 1 to current date. This gives you the ability to isolate the problem and quickly diagnose what needs to be done next. PolyScience's new DuraChill chillers feature our new dual stepper valve control system in the refrigeration circuit that provides extremely rapid heat up and cool down performance while retaining an extremely high level of energy efficiency and also inherent safety in the system. This leading-edge refrigerant control system also eliminates the persistent clicking sound created by PWM solenoid valves used in the past. Because pump seals will fail in as little as 30 seconds of being run dry, DuraChill chillers include a state-of-the-art capacitance liquid level sensor on the reservoir to protect the pump from premature failure. If the fluid level runs too low, the DuraChill chiller will give visual and audible alarms. And if the fluid level reaches a point where there's a risk of sucking air into the pump, DuraChill will shut the chiller down and present another alarm. DuraChill chillers offer a conveniently located front fill reservoir. You no longer have to go to the back of the chiller to open and fill the reservoir. DuraChill has the fill port in the front, making it easy to access, avoiding spills, and saving time. These new high-performance chillers utilize our exclusive patented noise reduction system. The WhisperCool system evaluates the demand for cooling from the application, then slows the fan speed to the minimum necessary to maintain control point, making the chiller extremely quiet and maintaining the optimal temperature at the same time. Our new 4.6-inch color touchscreen display is going to give you all the information you need at a glance. The screen will display continuous status of set temperature, actual temperature, reservoir fill level, and output pressure, as well as the status of your air filter. A well-maintained chiller is a durable chiller that won't let you down, which is why we have developed a groundbreaking new system where the chiller will change its own filter. This is a proactive approach to preventing breakdowns and lost time. DuraChill is pre-programmed to change the filter once a month for a 2-year period and can be adjusted to suit your operating environment. This will dramatically reduce the chiller warranty return rates due to improper maintenance and relieve you of the burden of preventative maintenance on your new DuraChill chiller. In our commitment to the environment, we developed a UV light system that will continuously control biological growth in the fluid path without the need to add chemical growth inhibitors and preventing algicides from being released into the world's waterways. Everything in the DuraChill line of chillers has been engineered for the future migration to natural, low global warming potential refrigerants. Isolation of power components, non-sparking relays, and forward-thinking design go beyond the current environmental guidelines for the industry. PolyScience and our new DuraChill line of chillers once again set the standard of excellence and quality that customers have come to trust for over 50 years.